Hello kiddies, this video will show you that cute easy drawing of sea otter and also some facts about sea otters. Yeah, let's go. Number 1. Sea otter is a mammal. Number 2. Sea otter fur is densest of any mammal on earth. Just 1 square inch of their bodies can contain more than 1 million hair follicles. Number 3. Otter hair create a wetsuit-like layer of protection against the cold water of the Pacific Ocean. Number 4. Sea otter teeth are twice as strong as our human teeth. Number 5. Otter's teeth help them to crunch through the tough shells of their favorite snack such as clams, urchins, and mussels. Number 6. Sea otters are one of the few mammal species known to use some tools to help them survive. Number 7. They can hold objects like rocks in their paws and use them to smash open the shells of their prey. Number 8. Sea otters have pouches of loose skin under their forearm and armpit areas. Number 9. Otter's pouches helps to store food for later or rocks for open hard shells. Number 10. A group of sea otters resting together in the water is called a raft. Number 11. Sea otters have an incredibly high metabolism. It helps to regulate their body temperature. Number 12. Otters need to eat at least 25% of their body weight in food every day. Thanks to watch kiddies. I hope you like this cutesy drawing of otter and also facts about otters. If you are, then hit the like button to this video and do subscribe for our channel for get more videos like this. Thank you. Bye-bye. And remember one more thing, that sharing is caring. So share this video to your friends and families.